Hi and welcome to the Necto Knowledge videos, where you can gain quick and easy expert tips about Panorama Necto. This video will demonstrate how you can simply create a workboard. When you open Necto, you will automatically be directed to the welcome screen, where you can see thumbnails for previously used workboards. But how can you create your own? Start by going to the Home button located on the top right hand of the screen, which will take you to the workboard area. Once in the workboard area, you can create a new workboard either by pressing the wand icon in the top of the screen or hovering over the public workboards text, clicking on the arrow and pressing new. From here you will enter the new view wizard. You can choose any new view you want, but here let's go for the simple template. Secondly, let's choose a name for the workboard and click on finish. That's it, you have a new workboard and it will automatically be saved to the public workboards folder. The orange button just above the task pane is now depressed. This means you automatically entered design mode when you created the new workboard, and as a result shows the possible components for your workboard descending along the right hand side of the workboard. Let's choose the basic component for all workboards, which is the view itself, and drag that as indicated to the center of the new workboard. A new view wizard will automatically pop up with 3 steps to allow you to choose either an existing view or create a new view. Let's look at the existing views. Here you can browse public, private and shared views, but instead I want to create a new view, so let's go back and choose a new view instead. Here I can choose a recent data source that was previously used to create a view, or choose from the 5 other options. I will choose to look at Analysis Services data source here, and I may choose a predefined source or type in the name of Analysis Services server and get options for my view. If multiple databases exist, I can choose from them, but here I will take the default AdventureWorks cube. So now I can press finish, and the Necto engine will go and get the various metadata and values for the new view automatically from Analysis Services server, and return with a view that uses the default time dimension over the default dimension in the cube. Now that I'm done, I can go to save the finished workboard. So let's go to the top center of the screen and click on the save icon and choose to save the workboard. To add context to the workboard, I should now choose one of the existing topics, or indeed I can edit them, or add a new topic. In this case I'm going to add a new topic and call it AdventureWorks, and then I'm going to add a description to give it some context in the current workboard. So let's call it Using AdventureWorks Cube. Then I'll press OK and drag and drop it onto the other side and press save, and that's it, I'm done. I have saved my simple Necto workboard.